Multi-station stitching can combine results from a relative coordinate system with a projected coordinate system, or combine results from two relative coordinate systems. This solves the problem of inconsistent point cloud coordinate systems across different projects. Before performing multi-station stitching, it is necessary to ensure that there is a certain overlap rate between the projects to be stitched. It is recommended that the overlap rate be above 30%. Then, select the multi-station stitching function. Firstly, look base project. Hide project, no need to merge temporarily. Select projects, then roughly merge them in top view. Drag left to rotate point cloud. Drag right to move point cloud position. Then check details. Please click clipping box icon, then Ctrl+ left to select current clipping view. Like here, we set center as overlapping area of stairs, setting other clipping plane in different view. Move clipping box. Left click clipping box with color. Then drag it with left mouse. Change clipping box width. Left click and use Ctrl+ scroll to change box width. Rotate clipping box. Use Ctrl+ left click to select clipping box. Then rotate center to rotate clipping box. To learn more details, you can make it full screen. Use up and down to fast move sipping box. Input transformation values to move point cloud. Use up and down to fast move clipping plane and check if it's finished. Slightly move in other view until it's finished. Lock finished projects and show next projects. Now you can save current results. Click Reset to withdraw last step. Click Main View Clipping button. Hide Main View Clipping plane to check full scale. Operate next project as same steps. When you finished merging, click Save for saving all results. Quit multiple scans merging tool. Reload point cloud. Click Export result to export point cloud as expected format.